Hi everyone, this is Alex Tech Canada. Today I'm gonna work on a refrigeration unit. We're gonna change a vibration absorber on a discharge line. I'm gonna show you right now what I'm gonna do. So here is our Ref Plus condensing unit for a freezer. So our problem here is our vibration absorber is leaking refrigerant. So I have a new one here. It needs to be changed. So I recovered the refrigerant already from the condenser. I isolated the discharge line from the compressor here and the valve on a receiver inlet. So I had to recover only the refrigerant from the condensing unit, or sorry, from the condensing coil. So now everything is recovered. So now we're good to go. I'm gonna cut it with my sawzall because I wanna unbrace it from the fitting here and here. So I'm gonna reuse same pipe. I don't wanna cut anything or add some fittings. And I'm gonna unsweat and brace the new one in place. Alright, I'll see how it's gonna work. Okay, all done. I removed the old one and the new one is in place. So now I'm gonna brace it. Hopefully we're gonna be a good brace with no leaks, and vacuum. All done. So I brace it. And now start as a vacuum, and we'll wait till the vacuum is done and we'll recharge the system with the refrigerant that I recovered and start the system. And everything is done, and I started the system, put the refrigerant back, so everything is running. Alright, see you next video.